In this video, I'll show you how to change your Google Meet profile picture. Before we start, there's one important thing to know. Google Meet does not usually have a separate profile photo setting just for Meet. Google's help pages show that your Meet picture normally comes from your main Google account profile photo. So to change what people see in Google Meet, you usually need to update your Google account picture. Google also notes that the same profile photo is used across Google services. First, let's look at the desktop method. Open a Google app like Gmail in your browser while signed in to the same Google account you use for Meet. At the top right, click your profile picture, then choose the option to change your profile picture. Google says you can then choose an image from your computer or from Google Photos, adjust it, and save it as your profile picture. If you want to do it on your phone, the steps are also simple. Google's account help says you can go to your Google account, open personal info, tap profile picture, and then choose change or add profile picture. After that, take a new photo or choose one from your device, crop it if needed, and save it as your profile picture. Google also documents a similar flow in the Gmail app on Android, where you tap your profile picture, then tap the camera icon or photo option to change it. Once you save the new picture, go back to Google Meet and check your account. In most cases, the new image will update there as well because Meet uses that same Google account photo. One thing to keep in mind is that Google says profile photo changes can take up to 24 hours to fully update across services. So if you do not see the new picture immediately in Meet, that can be normal. There is also one more thing worth knowing. If you use a school or work account, your organization may manage some profile settings. In that case, if you cannot change the picture yourself, the option may be limited by your administrator rather than by Google Meet itself. So the basic idea is simple. Change your Google account profile picture, and that updated image should appear in Google Meet as well. That's how to change your Google Meet profile picture. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.